Hold on, let me put on my lip gloss. Much better. So today, we're gonna be making faces. So since we're on spring break, and we won't be able to make Mother's Day gifts, I decided to do it at home. Okay, so the things you'll need are a toilet paper roll, a square from my shoebox, some glue, and some paint, a paintbrush, and some flowers. It could be real or fake, it doesn't matter. Okay, so first, grab your little square. You're gonna paint your square first. And now I'm gonna have to try to choose a color that I want. Okay guys, after you're done painting it, you gotta let it dry. While it's drying, it's now time to do another craft. The next craft is extremely easy. The craft is reader pointers and a bookmark. The stuff you'll need are Popsicle Sticks. We bought the color ones, but you could buy regular ones and paint them, or just leave them plain. It doesn't matter how you want to decorate them. And some beads, some glue, and glitter. Oh, and you'll need a star or a heart or whatever shape out of construction paper or foam paper. It doesn't matter. It just has to be colorful paper. So, let's get started. So this is how our book pointers and bookmark turned out. They're so cute. And my favorite was the vases. They're so cute and I love the flowers inside of them. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe, do a thumbs up, and share. Bye!